How to run N8n locally on Windows. If you're new, N8n is a open source workflow automation tool, and it allows you to automate different tasks by connecting different apps and services without the need of heavy coding. Now you can self-host it, you can use their cloud services, or you can run it locally on your device. So what we're gonna do is run this locally on our Windows. To do that, what we'll do is we will search Node.js right here, Node.js, and we will download this. This is what we're gonna need in order to run this locally on our Windows. So click on download right here and simply go and download this Node.js. Once the download is complete, we will open up the setup. We will run it and it will open up like this. Click select next, accept this, click next, next, and go and install this. And now wait for the installation to be completed. Once Node.js is installed, simply go and click on finish and open up command prompt on your device. Or in case of Mac, simply open up terminal. And in here, you'll need to type in this code. Let me just go and paste it. Simply go and type in this code npm install nan-g and click on enter. And now here it will take a few, I think a minute to install N8n on your computer locally. So just wait for that. After a few minutes, the installation would be complete. So I'm just gonna go and clear the screen for now. And now here, in order to run N8n, I'm just gonna go and type in N8n, or you can type nan/start. And once you press enter, we will wait and it will generate a link for us. Just wait. Now, as you guys can see, it has generated all these information for us. And here is the link that we're going to paste in our browser in order to use it. Use N8n locally. So I'm just going to go and copy this. I'm going to paste it on my browser and it will take us to a page like this one. Now, here, as you guys can see, you are running N8n locally. And here, just type in your email, your first name, last name, and password, and you're good to go. That's how you can go and use N8n locally on Windows and Mac the same way. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.